Asiatique The Riverfront is one of Bangkok's most popular evening attractions, combining shopping, dining, entertainment, and beautiful riverside views in one destination. Located on the eastern bank of the Chao Phraya River, Asiatique blends the charm of Bangkok's historic trading port with the comfort of a modern open-air lifestyle complex. Every evening, thousands of locals and tourists visit to enjoy the lively atmosphere, making it one of the city's best places to spend a relaxing night. The area has an interesting history. More than a century ago, this riverside location was home to the East Asiatic Company, one of Thailand's most important international trading ports. Warehouses once stored goods arriving from around the world before being distributed across Southeast Asia. Instead of demolishing the old buildings, many of the original warehouses were carefully restored and transformed into stylish shopping streets and restaurants, preserving the area's industrial heritage while creating a unique destination. Today, Asiatique features hundreds of boutiques, souvenir shops, fashion stores, and local craft stalls. Visitors can browse handmade products, Thai silk, artwork, jewelry, clothing, and gifts while enjoying the relaxed atmosphere. Unlike Bangkok's traditional street markets, the walkways are clean, spacious, and well-organized, making shopping comfortable even during busy evenings. Food is another major attraction. Visitors can enjoy authentic Thai dishes, fresh seafood, international cuisine, desserts, and refreshing tropical drinks. Many restaurants overlook the Chao Phraya River, offering beautiful sunset and nighttime views as boats cruise past the waterfront. One of Asiatique's most recognizable landmarks is the giant Ferris wheel, known as the Asiatique Sky. Rising above the riverfront, it provides spectacular panoramic views of Bangkok's skyline, especially after dark when the city lights reflect across the water. The area also hosts live music, cultural performances, seasonal festivals, and family-friendly entertainment throughout the year. Getting to Asiatique is simple. Many visitors take the BTS SkyTrain to Saphanthaxin Station before boarding the free shuttle boat across the Chao Phraya River. The short river journey is part of the experience, offering beautiful views of Bangkok's waterfront. Taxis and ride-hailing services are also widely available. The best time to visit is just before sunset. Arriving early allows visitors to enjoy daylight along the river before watching the skyline gradually light up as evening falls.